back, hotties. What's up? So I'm back with another haul video, and today it is none other than like the one and only, the OG, the on the top right now, like the OG right now. He hai yahan pe, and that is Urbanic. And oh my god, I'm seeing it everywhere. YouTube advertisements देख लो, IG ads देख लो, I don't know, TV में भी आ जाएगा कल तो पता नहीं. Marketing is on top, and I've been loving the styles. All the styles from bralettes to tops to denims, and the Urbanic denims is what caught my attention the most. And I really want to try the denims from here. They are so bomb. Okay, without wasting any further time, let's get these advertisements and everything. Like, oh my god, what a denim! Like, denims, to be very honest, it's not an expense, it's an investment for me. I think because come on yaar, ek denim ko to hum saalon tak pehnte hain. Like, of course, like I wear it like minimum 1 year. Of course, like a denim, it's a denim. So I just thought, like, you know, to just invest a bit in denim. So I got 2 denims from here, and I've got a top. So let's see. Okay, so the first denim is this, and oh my god, I mean, I'm blown. मतलब ऐसे mind fuck हो गया मेरा. Such amazing. Okay, खोलने से पहले मैं इसकी तारीफ कर रही हूँ, but anyways, this is the denim, and oh my goodness, you guys, I love this. Let me just explain to you why I love this. This is the perfect straight wide leg denim that you need in your closet. You need it. You don't want it, you need it. You should have it. Talking about the color, it is a perfect denim blue color that we all need and that we have been always looking for. Color is beautiful, it's amazing. Talking about the pattern, we have on the sides the dark blue washed spotted print, but I think it's spotted from here. It has dark blue wash on the sides. It's there on both the sides. Very minimal, but yet very attractive at the same time. The thing here is that we do not have any pocket in the front. I was like, एक second, I was not expecting this. Maybe it's just me who didn't notice कि इसमें आगे pockets नहीं हैं. And मैंने इसे try किया. I'm like, oh, what the like? There's no pockets in the front, which is not, you know, that okay with me. But it's okay with me. Like, it's fine. Like, I'm gonna keep my phone at the back maybe. Not having pockets in the front is giving it a more cleaner look. You know, it's looking very clean and all neat and nice, long and everything. So that's the only thing. We have got 2 pockets in the back, no pockets in the front. Anyways, it's alright. Talking about the length of the denim, the perfect high waist that I have been looking for. My height is 5'2"-ish, 3 somewhere in between, and this is how it looks on me. It's very, very long for me. I did fold it like you guys can see a crease यहाँ तक. मैंने उसको ऐसे how many centimeters?
I don't know maths a lot, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think it's 10 centimeter.
And मैंने उसको ऐसे I just gave it a single fold just like that. The waist is perfect, the high waist is perfect, the fitting from here, like, everything is beautiful, awesome, like amazing. But it is definitely longer for me. मैं छोटी नहीं हूँ, ये jeans लंबी है, ठीक है. For me, I think which I'm always looking into denims is the color of the stitching. I don't know why. I don't know if you guys are really into it, but I always see the stitching of the denim. The stitching over here is like the golden yellow ochre color. I think it looks perfect. Completes the denim. The material is perfect. It's not that heavy, you know. Too heavy denims are also not really heavy to carry on. This is the denim. I think मैं इसको रोज पहनने वाली हूँ. रोज तो नहीं. I think I'm gonna wear it every other day in my college. I'm so much in love with this. This is the basic denim that has to be there in your closet. A perfect pair of denim is always going to make you feel more confident about yourself and the whole outfit that you're going to carry. So I think this is a beautiful, beautiful pair of denim. You can always style it up with all those crop tops, you know, the crop sleeves and the strappy tops and the tube tops and whatnot. High-waist denims are meant for, you know, all these crop tops and tube tops. I mean, it will look really amazing. Or if you want, you can wear, you know, the oversized sweatshirts and style it out on your own way. There's also one more thing about the length of the Urbanic denims, and that is, if you see the centimeters, if you see the length of the denim is 100 centimeters above, it's gonna be the perfect high waist, to be very honest. I saw both of them beforehand. I had one of the denims I got from Myntra Flipkart and really measured that, and 105 centimeters something, and it was fitting for someone like me, shorty like me. At whatever the denim you're getting, if you want it to be perfect high waist, you know, it has to be like 100 centimeter above. So always make sure you're checking it beforehand, the length of the denim. So this is such a perfect go-to OG denim, you guys. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. I cannot wait to wear it outside. I cannot wait to wear it every other day, to be very honest. I love this. I love this. I'm keeping it forever. And Urbanic, you have my heart. This denim, 10 on 10. Just get it, girl. Just get it. Don't even think twice. Trust me, I got you. Alright. Next up, we have the another denim, and this denim is something that has blown my mind.
This denim, and in the picture, I just knew I had to get this. I don't know why, but I just had this in my mind that I had to get this. And this is
These one. I love this. Clothes are everything to me.
And denims, I've always been a fan of denims. You'll always see me in jeans, always. I'll be always in jeans, always. Like most of the time, all the time.
In denims, I can sleep in denims. Everything in denims. I love denims in general. This denim is OGest. I don't know what is that, but why am I so overexcited all the time? Anyway, yeah. So color of denim is lightish blue, and it more has of a white wash here and there, more of like a whitish light blue mix, and more of a white light blue. So the pattern is straight, but it's also a little flared from the bottom. It also has this slit on the side, which is the thing that I got this denim for. Talking about the length of denim, it fits perfectly from the here. I think the waist is perfect. Everything from here should be perfect. Your waist should be all snugged in, and just gives you a great shape to the body. So I think this part is like the perfect one. And from the bottom, the split looks sexy as fuck, you guys. Like, it looks so stunning. And when I'm wearing it, of course, it's long. It's very long for me, but I'm gonna wear like 4.5 inches with this one. Anything would go with this. Your basic trainers, your pumps, or anything. I'm gonna wear it with my stilettos. You can see this is how it fits on me. It fits beautifully well. The fitting is perfect from the back. Amazing, hot, sexy, like every other adjective, you guys. Give it to yourself. You're gonna rock this one. And finally, it has pockets in the front, which is like which is a necessity, which is the basic thing that should be there in a denim, and it is there in this one. There's also one more thing that I noticed in getting denims is the length of the pocket. It's very important for me. I don't know why people, as an iPhone 7 can get into it. It's a small phone and that can get completely into it, but if you have a bigger phone than that, so वो थोड़ा सा it will show बाहर से इतना. Just saying, अगर आप इतना ध्यान देते हो pockets के length पे तो, but if you carry your phone in your hand, then it's perfect. This is like such an OG denim. I'm gonna keep it for special occasions, and the special occasion that I can keep a denim for. Where? All I'm gonna do is give exams in the next 6 months. I have no idea where I'm gonna wear this beautiful denim. Oh my god. I want to wear this denim on a special occasion that is in my head and not in real life, because there's nothing special going on. My dad always tells me that never keep clothes for a certain occasion. Each day is special. Just wear that denim. Just wear that outfit. Sit at home, do whatever you want, but just don't keep waiting for a certain day to wear that outfit. And I am always gonna keep that in my mind. Dad, thanks. Maybe I'm gonna just find a way to wear it somewhere. Fitting is perfect. I love the way how it fits on my body. It makes me feel more, the curvy and shit, and all this sexy. So, what the fuck did I say that? Such amazing denim, beautiful, length perfect, fitting perfect, cloth perfect, stitching perfect, pockets perfect. And this is a perfect denim, you guys. Just go for this one. This is very unique, and the side slit makes it look more, like a more higher end kind of denim. It looks beautiful. It gives me like some Gucci vibes. Hi Gucci, I don't know why, but some Louis Vuitton vibes. I don't know why, but this gives me some Louis Vuitton vibes anyway. So yeah, you guys, this one, go for it, girl. Like, you're gonna rock this. You're gonna rock wearing this. Yo. Both the denims are in the size extra small, and this is how it fits me on the waist. So it's a little loose on the waist, but I think a belt is gonna do the job. So anyway, but it fits me great because I have thighs, so it fits me from the legs, but it's a little loose on the waist, but I think a belt is gonna do the job. So yes, we can manage that. Another thing that I got is this cutie top. इसमें थोड़ा बड़ा size दे दिया. मुझे सस्ता पड़ रहा था ये, इसलिए मैंने ले लिया इसको. This was in buy one get one. Has underwire on both sides, which gives a great fit, and it has this floral pink roses on front and both at the back as well. And the grey leaves, I think it looks so stunning. It's so subtle. It's so cute. It's so cute. Straps are adjustable, of course. Beautiful top. So at the neck we have this lacy lace. God, I tried this with the side slit wali denim. It looked so bomb, you guys. It looked amazing. This top with the previous denim and the black leather jacket is just gonna be like my dream look.
Bomb, like bomb, you guys. Bomb, like fire walking. It's gonna look bomb as fuck.
It's a beautiful, cute top, but I think मेरे को थोड़ा size छोटा लेना चाहिए था इसके अंदर. It's a little loose for me from the back. Picture में दिख ही रहा होगा. This is in the size medium because small extra small नहीं थे. So you guys, these are my 3 purchases from Urbanic recently, and I have been loving the collection, loving the material, loving everything about it. The cost of this Simplicity straight leg denim, the first one, is 1013 rupees, and for 1013 it's amazing, you guys, and it's definitely worth it. And the cost of the second denim, which has the split on the side, it is 1115 rupees, and it's like for 1120 we can say. So 1120, beautiful denim, you guys, definitely worth it. The top that I got, this one, was for 315 rupees, and for 315 I would not complain. I don't have the right to complain if I'm getting it for 315, so I think it's amazing. This is our new OG, girls. Let's go. It's 10 on 10 for me. I think it's beautiful. It's amazing. The collection is amazing. Everything about this is spot on. This is the first video I'm talking about my Instagram. Come back, whatever. So I deleted my previous account forever, and I've made a new account. I've made 2 accounts there, and you guys can follow me on Instagram. It's in the link below, and I would be glad to connect with you all because you guys are my only friends. And come on, I'm really sorry that I could not talk to you guys over emails and Snap, and it was very awkward for me, you know. It was like not so bonding the other side, so I really had to come back on Instagram to connect with you guys. And the link is in bio, and let's connect and let's be friends with each other, and let's have some fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys did, make sure you press the like button below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one.